In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create timesheets and billable hours in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture time spent on work and convert it into accurate invoices, without spreadsheets or manual calculations. We'll start by enabling the right features. In Zoho Books, open Settings, go to Preferences, and look for Time Tracking or Projects, depending on your edition. Turn on the Timesheet module so it appears in your left-hand menu, and make sure Projects is enabled too. Projects are essential because they let you link time to a specific customer and scope of work. Save your changes, then return to your main view. Next, set up a project to hold your time entries. Go to Time Tracking, then Projects, and click New Project. Enter a clear project name, select the customer you'll bill, and choose your billing method. You can bill based on project hours with one hourly rate, by task hours where each task has its own rate, or by staff hours where each team member has a unique rate. Pick the option that matches how you price your services, then save the project. Now you're ready to log billable hours. For quick entries, open Time Tracking, go to Timesheet, and click Log Time. Choose the date, select the project, and pick a task if you're using tasks. Enter the time spent, add concise notes so your client understands the work performed, and check the billable box if you plan to invoice it. Click Save to record the entry. If you prefer live tracking, use the built-in timer. From the timesheet screen, click Start Timer, select the project and task, and add notes if needed. When you're done, stop the timer. Zoho Books records the duration automatically, and you can mark the time as billable with a single click. For a high-level weekly view, switch to Weekly Log in the timesheet area. Enter hours for each day across your projects and tasks, check billable where appropriate, and save. This is perfect for teams or anyone batching entries at the end of the week. When it's time to bill your client, convert those billable entries into an invoice. In Time Tracking, open Timesheet, select the entries you want to bill, and choose New Transaction or Create Invoice. Select Invoice, and Zoho Books pulls in the hours, rates, and any task or project details as line items. Review the draft to ensure everything looks right, then finalize and send it to your client.